I'm here to talk about business transformation by powering mobile work styles. In our industry is changing quite a bit, and there are many changes that happen. We don't necessarily adopt or embrace all of the changes. There are many reasons for that, and of course, some of the changes are not relevant to your business, and hence you don't do it. Some of the changes, some of the times there is no pressure, real pressure from your business users, and hence you don't embrace those change. Okay, so the one change that I was talking about is this change of shift from PC era to cloud era. So this change, unlike most of the other changes that are happening in our industry, is not something that we have an option of not adapting or not embracing. This change is going to be very, very compelling. This change is something that which all of us, doesn't matter what size of company that you are, doesn't matter what industry or sector that you are in, you will have to embrace this change. The only thing that will differ is some of you will do it now, some of you have already done it, some of you have already started a journey of embracing this change, but end of the day you'll have to do it. And the reason why we don't have an option and we will have to embrace this change is because one, it makes the job of IT a lot simpler, easier, it helps you save a lot of money in the technology space, but more importantly, there are other things also which will help you achieve that. But more importantly, this change is also to do with your business users. This change is to do with your CEO, it is to do with your CFO, marketing function, and many other business users. When we talk about this shift to the cloud era, what is happening is the exceptions of the PC era are becoming the assumptions of the cloud era. That's the most important change that is happening. In the cloud era, whatever we talked as exceptions are going to be the assumptions. So when you start building your IT systems in the cloud era, you will start assuming that your users are going to be mobile. Now, if you build your IT systems for the cloud era with all of these assumptions, which were the exception of the PC era, whatever you have to do with the old generation, which is the PC era, you don't have to invest anything extra to support that. That comes free to you. So if you have designed your IT infrastructure to support mobile devices, right, to support devices owned by employees, to support wireless network, to support cloud infrastructure. If you design your systems for that, and if somebody walks in and says that I want to work in the office here, on the wired network, on the office provided desktop, you don't have to change anything. So what is this leading to? The mobile work styles is actually leading to a world where the users can work and play from anywhere. Now, this is a powerful idea. These might look or sound like pretty much English words, right? But it is a powerful idea. If you are able to enable mobile work styles, which means allow people to use any device, be in any location, use any network, be the Wi-Fi in the conference room, or a 3G provided by a service provider, or a Wi-Fi in your house, or a mall or shopping mall, wherever you are. Use any network, any device, and do pretty much everything that you do in office on that device, right? Everything. Not restricted mail access or only a set of application. Everything. What is the vision for the future? What's that picture that we want to paint and tell the users what it is, right? The vision for the future is going virtual for all the users, right? The vision for the future is going virtual for pretty much every user that is there in the organization and not a particular type of user. Be it a task worker, be it an office-based user, be it somebody who's based in a remote location, be it the executive, be it the back office, whatever that is. That's the vision that we want to paint for them and tell them that the solution or the vision for the future is going virtual for all the users, so that they are able to embrace what is happening as far as the consumerization of IT is concerned, so that everybody is able to use whatever device that they want, be in whichever location that they want, and do the work that they want to do.